Hello and welcome to this quick tutorial on how to change the language on the Reddit app using your Android phone. Whether you're learning a new language or just prefer a different one, this guide will show you how to switch languages in just a few taps. Let's get started. First, open the Reddit app on your Android phone. Next, tap on your profile icon located in the top right corner of the screen. Then, from the menu, tap on Settings. After that, scroll down through the Settings menu until you find the Language option. Now, tap on Language. A list of available languages will appear. Finally, select the language you prefer. The app will automatically update to the new language instantly. No need to restart. That's it. You've successfully changed the language on your Reddit app. If you found this video helpful, feel free to like, share, or subscribe for more quick mobile tutorials.